All right, good time for us to bring in our guest for this hour. Joining us, national trial attorneys there in Detroit, Michigan. We have Michael Jafer. Michael, you've been following this case and the last one of Jennifer Crumbley along with us. What are you watching for?
I'm looking to see if there's any type of evidence that shows that he was not negligent. To be honest with you, Matt, I think this guy's getting convicted. This case is either going to land in a conviction or a hung jury. Why do I say that? Most likely a conviction because we already saw the playbook. We already saw this book play out, right? So we know that his wife, who had better facts than him, she got convicted. She should not have been convicted, but she was convicted. So I think he's going to be convicted because the burden of proof on negligence is very easy to overcome when a person dies, right? So we're not talking about premeditated murder. We're talking about negligence. Were you negligent? Why do I think that there's a chance that there'd be a hung jury? And I said the same thing about his wife's case. Because the word gun invokes a lot of passion. There's 12 jurors in there. I have to assume there's at least one, a good chance of there being one that sits back and says, wait a minute. So I can go to jail if I take my constitutional right and buy a gun and someone else takes that gun and kills somebody. I gotta assume there's a good chance of there being one juror in there that will take that stance, right? I predicted that in the prior case. That didn't happen. It might not happen in this case, but it could happen in this case, Matt. But that's my opinion. My opinion is he's either getting convicted for, this guy's not getting acquitted. No way he's getting acquitted because the burden of proof is so low. But there's a small chance that there could be gridlock in the jury box.